Hey guys, this is Jacques from Makulu Linux and welcome to another video. So today we're sending out a new patch and I'm going to explain what this patch does. Right, you guys are probably familiar with the AI Toolbox, right? By this time, the AI Toolbox hosts a whole bunch of really cool AI tools, including a chat GUI and video generator, image generator, and all of that. It's all really nice. But these are all desktop apps, meaning they're designed only for Linux and they run specific desktop features. If I open up, for example, the video generator, you'll see it opens up in a desktop app here, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's the desktop app. We've actually been redesigning a lot of these inside an HTML GUI as well, so that we do have both the desktop version as well as the HTML version. So we have like a backup, and some people might prefer one to the other. Now, if you actually click on this little icon at the bottom here, we've now patched through. Previously, it opened up a chat GUI. If you click on it now, this little icon, see the little white robot in the bottom panel? If you click that, it should now open, there we go, it should now open up a little portal. So if you click that little icon over there, little robot, it opens up this little portal, which is essentially a Chromium app, right? And inside here, you'll see you've got now Electra AI. It's a little portal. You've got Electra AI, so you can chat to it. You can say hello, and she will talk back. And you can also use voice. If you want to talk to it with voice, you can use voice. Or you can go jump over to Coder. So here by Coder, you can, write code and so forth. Or you can jump over to image generation. Here you can generate an image. You type here a cute puppy dog and then hit generate. And here you can generate images. You can set your model, set your style, set your resolution, set your seed number, and generate an image. That usually takes 10 to 30 seconds, so an image should come up shortly. There we go. See the dog? You can right click and save the image to your PC, anywhere you want on your PC. Next to the image generator, you've got a video generator. So here you can generate videos. You get 5 free videos a day. Every day, 5 free videos you can generate. Some of these options are disabled because they only get activated with Pro mode, purchase unlimited. If you purchase unlimited, you get a unique password. If you type in the unique password, then these features start opening up. And you can generate, there it says unlimited because I put an unlimited password. I can generate as many as I want. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I can extend videos, upscale videos. I can go into storyboard mode. Storyboard mode allows you to, look here. Let me show you a cat that likes skateboarding. So I'm going to make a story about a cat that likes skateboarding, and I'm going to choose a voice here. Let's say Michelle. And let's tick that box because we're going to have the AI write the story for us. So the AI generates a story. Okay, so title, Whiskers on Wheels. Okay, let's just redefine this and let's do that. And now we generate the audio for that. So now we're generating an audio. This is our story mode. So there's our audio. If we listen to the audio.
In a sun-drenched neighborhood lived a feline named Patches.
Okay, so now let's open the storyboard in video here. Here you can generate videos that fits the storyboard. So here's a story about a cat on the skateboard. So you can generate all the videos, and then when you're done, you can compile the final video. And it creates essentially like a little TikTok video with the videos all fading into each other, puts all the special effects in, and attaches the audio. You have this beautiful story mode with videos. It's very, very, very cool. Anyway, so there's some really nice stuff here. If you watch this live tutorial video over here, it actually shows you all of the details. So this video generator is really, it's gold. It's really, really nice. And like I said, you get 5 free generations a day. If you want unlimited, these are high quality videos, by the way, high quality videos. If you want unlimited, you can purchase unlimited via the unlimited link. It's $40 a month, but then you get unlimited videos. You can just keep generating forever. Next to the AI generator, we've got a new thing called AI Therapist. Let's just agree to the disclaimer. AI Therapist is really awesome. Here you can type your name, I can say Jacques, and what is my issue? Online therapist is basically Electra. It's a branch of Electra where she's actually a therapist, like visiting a psychologist or a therapist. If you have issues, you have a phobia of something, or you have issues or whatever, mental issues, you have issues with whatever, social issues, doesn't matter. She's very well versed in therapeutic techniques and skills, and she's actually a pretty good online therapist. So if you need somebody to talk to but you can't afford a therapist, or you don't feel comfortable with other people, then maybe chat to her. She's really, really good. For example, yeah, I can say I have a fear of let's see, I have a fear of flying. Okay, so I'm gonna say I have a fear of flying. There, Jock. You can choose your language. She supports 81 languages. You can choose any language. I'm going to choose English, but you could choose any language, right? Then you choose a voice for her in your language, and then we choose connect. And you'll see here a description of your issue. I have a fear of flying. She's thinking. She will take about 15, 20 seconds. She's also in agent mode here.
Okay, I understand. You're experiencing a fear of flying, and that's something that can be quite challenging. It's not uncommon at all, and there are ways we can work through it. First, I want you to know that it's perfectly valid to feel this way. Many people experience anxieties related to flying, so you're definitely not alone. To start, can you tell me a bit more about your fear? When did you first notice it?
Okay, I'm going to push stop here. So she speaks with voice, and if you want to replay it, you can just click the play message again.
Okay, I understand.
And you can also turn off voice there, and so she'll just message without voice. So the voice feature is optional. Now, if I reply, I can talk to her, she can talk to me up and down, and you'll actually find she's a very good therapist, by the way. And when I'm done, if I feel I want to continue this conversation again, I can save the session. If you save the session, it saves basically the conversation ID gets saved to your drive. So next time you come into chat, you can just load the session. You can just load that same conversation ID again. Fill in the details, load the conversation ID, and connect. So essentially, she's an online therapist, a really, really good one. She's very good. So if you want to speak to some therapist in your own native language, this is perfect. Really, really perfect. We spent a lot of time making this and perfecting it. And of course, it's ongoing process. So we'll find ways to improve it. But really, right now in the form that she's in now, it's pretty good. Chat room. Okay, next to that is a chat room. So here you can join the public chat, right? So if you don't want to use the messenger, you can join the public chat through here. So here you can type your name. You can say Jacques and choose your language. English is fine. Choose a voice. I'm going to choose a male voice here. Eric, no, Guy, Roger. I'm going to choose Roger, and then show available chat rooms. And here you can choose public chat, AI chat, image generation. So you can hang out in any of these channels that you wish. So let's go with public chat. And now I'm in chat. And here I can chat to people that are existing, the existing users in the chat, or I can chat to Electra directly. Just double click her name and then type my message. Or I can use the talk button. Allow. I can use the talk button. I can just click on the talk, say what I want to say, release, and then it sends it to the chat channel. Leave room. Okay, so, or I can host a private chat. I can host a chat, or I can connect client. Now, I'm gonna do a video on this at some point. If you're gonna host a room, you create a password and you choose the options. If you're a client, you use the same password that the host created, and it connects the host and the client into a private chat. And then next to that, you just got an about section where to talk a little bit about Electra, and then you've got some options to report issues that you have. Very quick and easy, very easy to use. This is a really nice little portal. We'll expand on it, obviously, but for now we've added some nice options. So you've got the chatbot right there. It opens on the chatbot. You can talk to Electra directly via text or voice, and you can set the mode, or you can go straight to Coder. You can generate images, generate videos, talk to the therapist, or hang out in the chat room, because you access it straight from your desktop. Just click the little icon over there. Alternatively, you can go to your main menu under other here. It might say other, sometimes it says Chromium apps, or sometimes it says other. You'll find it there. There's the portal as well, Makulu Linux AI portal. So that's it. That's the patch today. You guys should have it. So yeah, it just says AI assistant here. If you go down to this little thing and you click this little thing and just wait a few seconds because it does open the Chromium thing. Let's just, there we go. It takes a few seconds and it opens up, and then boom, you're in, and now you've got access to Electra, Coder, image generation, video generation, therapist, and the chat room, all from the portal. We'll be adding some more. Now, some of these apps are over here, like you might prefer the desktop version of Coder, you might prefer the desktop version of image generator or the video generator. I mean, it's really up to you whether you want to use the HTML interface or the desktop interface. We provide both. That's the nice thing about Linux, is you get lots of options. Now, it might feel a little confusing, but you know, to each his own. Some people might prefer this nice little interface, and some might prefer the native desktop option. I will say that the HTML is usually gets more updated more frequently than the desktop apps. The desktop apps we usually patch through a little later, although both could be up to speed by the time you run it. There are some of these apps that we can't do in HTML. For example, the diagnostics we can't do, the editor. Some of these you can't do in HTML because they actually, you know, work with your actual PC. But yeah, the ones that we can do, the ones that we can port to HTML, we are porting to HTML bit by bit, so that we do have both interfaces. Yeah, so that's a patch today, guys. So yeah, if you open up your little assistant here, you should see the portal and all the cool options that go with it. Play with it, enjoy, have fun with it. Remember, the video generation, you get free 5 videos free every day. 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 forever. Okay. And if you want to, you can upgrade. $40 a month, and then you get unlimited, and you also get access to a whole range of other stuff. There is a video tutorial included. That's my video for today, guys. So yeah, enjoy the patch, and we'll be sending this out to the guys that are running Max Pro. You guys will probably get the patch in the next day or so as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and have fun. Bye bye.